Hello, everyone. It's Joseph here again, and welcome to the 7 days free guitar course for beginners. And this is the day 7, which is the final day. And in this class, I'll be showing you how to play the hardest chord I know of for beginners, which is the F major chord, and I'll be showing you how to play it in this class. So let's dive into it. So the F major chord, we'll be using our 4 fingers, and don't forget, make sure your guitar is in tune. Make sure your guitar is in tune like mine, so you can check it. This is the first string, this is the second string, this is the third string, this is the fourth string, this is the fifth string, and this is the sixth string. Now that we have tuned our guitar, we'll be making use of our 4 fingers. This is the first finger, this is the second finger, this is the third finger, and this is the fourth finger. So the hard part of playing the F major chord is where we have to use our first finger to hold down 2 strings, and we'll be placing our finger, the tip of our finger, on the second string and the first string, and it's going to look this way, and our second finger will be placed on the third string on the second fret. Our third finger is going to be placed on the fourth string on the third fret, and we start playing from the fourth string. Make sure you don't play the fifth string and the sixth string, and it's going to sound this way. Yes, it's going to sound this way. And that's the F major chord. And you know the way we do. You try to remove your hands and try to place it back. It might take time for you to get this chord, but make sure you practice it properly. Take your time. Sometimes it takes weeks to get this chord on your fingers. So try to remove your hands, place it back, and strike. Remove it, then place it back. So that's the F major chord. Alright, so I'll be teaching you how to switch from different chords, and I'll be adding the F major chords to it. So our progression is going to be the C, and the G to the G to the A minor, and to the new F major chord. So we're going to be switching from those chords. That's the progression I'm going to be teaching you right now. So it goes this way. One more time. So that's just a progression you can use to play any song. So that's all I have for you in this final class. I hope you've been able to learn a lot from this free beginner course. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, share, like, and there'll be more coming on this channel. Cheers.